Hey there, this is Terry with House Up Real Estate Solutions. We've been helping South Carolina homeowners for a very long time, and everyone is curious about how we come up with our offers. Well, we're not here to waste anyone's time with realistic offers. Our business would fail if we couldn't provide a fair offer, so we keep it simple and fair. Our offers are not based on some percentage of the property value. Instead, we simply run the numbers and try our hardest to give you as much money as we possibly can for your home. We want to make sure you'll be happy, comfortable, and confident when selling your house to us. When we calculate an offer for your home, we look at 4 different things. Number 1 is the comparable sales. This is what other homes are selling for in the area, and that's our baseline and something that we have to keep track of all the time. The fact that we're local makes us different from those corporate national home buyers. We know our local neighborhoods. Number 2 is the cost of repairs. This takes into consideration all the additional money that we're going to have to put into the property after we buy it. We have our trusted contractors and are able to keep the cost of repairs lower, and that lets us offer you more money for your home. Number 3 is the closing costs. This is all the money that we have to pay our attorneys and in some cases our realtors. We cover all these costs, but we do have to take it into consideration when we make our offer. Depending on the situation, these costs can get pretty high if we're helping folks through probate process or foreclosures, but either way, we have these costs covered. Number 4 is our return on investment. As with any business, we have to make money on the back end so that we can continue to help other folks. Sometimes we won't see any profit for years down the road, and that's okay with us. We hold on to these properties for the long haul, so that gives us some flexibility when we make our offers. All that being said, our process is tried and true. We have nothing to hide, and we'll even walk you through the numbers so that you can understand how we calculated them. If the offer works for you and you're ready to move forward, terrific, then we'll take it from there. If you need more time to think things through, then please do. There's never any pressure on our end. Our reviews are a testament of how we focus on helping people. So if you're looking to sell your home quickly and to someone you can trust, give us a call, text, or email. I love talking to folks and figuring out the best way to sell their homes quickly and without any runaround. We're here to help. Talk to you soon.